Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to the exclusive premiere of the all-new Geely Tugella in Qatar. I am Tarek Hawchar and I will be your guide along this exciting journey. "24 years ago, in 1997, Geely decided to enter the automotive industry. And in the span of just a few years, it has become one of China's top 10 automakers. Geely's success story began with the acquisition of some of the world's most established car brands. The Chinese giant now owns a 99% share of the Swedish luxury brand Volvo, a 49.9% stake in the Malaysian automaker Proton, a 51% controlling stake in the luxury sports car brand Lotus, and a 9.7% stake in the Daimler AG, among others. In July 2020, Geely gained a foothold in Qatar by signing a distribution agreement with Skyline Automotive, a Jeddah Group company. Since the first Geely showroom opened in Qatar, two new models have been launched, the Coolray and Ascara crossovers. Today, it's the time for another important member to join the Geely family in Qatar, the all-new Tugella. The compact crossover is named after one of the largest waterfalls on Earth, the Tugella, located in South Africa. It's also based on the CMA, compact modular architecture, which was jointly developed by Geely and Volvo. Thanks to the CMA, Tugella's body is distinguished by its rigidity, high level of energy absorption, and super strength. The body can withstand a load 5 times greater than the weight of the car, which weighs 1,815 kilograms. Let's watch a short video to know more about the CMA.
CMA Supermatrix was born in September 2013 in CVT, China Euro Vehicle Technology, a joint venture between Geely Auto Group and Volvo Cars. More than 2,000 top engineers from 25 countries around the world spent nearly 5 years on the development of this architecture, which is able to utilize new scientific developments over the next 15 years and enable its products to maintain both high value and long-term competitiveness. CMA Supermatrix can be used to develop models including sedan, wagon, hatchback, SUV, crossover, etc. It is compatible with both combustion engine and hybrid powertrains. It supports front-wheel and four-wheel drive options, as well as adapt to pure electric zero-emission powertrains. CMA Supermatrix combines the world-leading wired control chassis with innovative design. The chassis systems offer both comfort and mobility, and is capable of achieving a high level of autonomous drive. It even supports future Level 4 autonomous driving technology. Through the development of high-end, high-value, high-performance products, 5G Intelligent Industry 4.0 systems, global technologies and resources, the CMA Supermatrix we have empowered the creation of trend-setting concepts, the creation of a state-of-the-art electrical architecture, given consumers a rich selection of electrified power options, and created world-class cars. Geely Auto's CMA architecture active and passive safety systems meet the highest 5-star standards for CNCAP, ENCAP, and American IIHS standards. Technologies including 5G, MEC, cloud computing, and big data have been integrated into our super factories and digitalized factories, changing the way we manufacture cars for good. 5G technology has been fully integrated into key links such as manufacturing, logistics, storage, remote operation, and maintenance. 5G technology have become part of the essence of the CMA Supermatrix. In terms of quality, high-precision Blu-ray measurement robots can detect errors within 0.05 millimeters, improving building accuracy from the onset. KUKA robots allow for 100% welding automation, ensuring maximized precision of welding points, owing to integrated architectural assembly technology and digitalized equipment. A single machine can tighten 52 connection points from one position. This year, the first sedan under Geely Auto's CMA architecture will come into the world. Geely's 4.0 generation will open a new era of architectural-based manufacturing in the automotive industry.
Ladies and gentlemen, the moment has come. Let's welcome Geely's first sports coupe SUV, the all-new Tugella. So here is the all-new Geely Tugella. Let's start by talking about the design after we watch this short video. Hello Oksana, and thank you for joining us.
Hello Tarek, it's my pleasure.
So we saw this amazing video. It seems that you enjoyed the time with Tugella around Doha.
Yes, so much. I really enjoyed this car.
So can you tell us more about your impressions about the Tugella?
In a few words, it's a sporty, dazzling, fashionable, and of course, a well-equipped car. And I won't be exaggerating if I say that Tugella is one of the most stunning and striking SUV I've ever seen.
That's interesting. So what you mostly liked about the design of the car?
Well, I love its sloping roofline and fastback rear. It's beautifully designed, modern-looking Geely. Overall, it's an exciting and dynamic vehicle which perfectly matching for many people's lifestyle today.
That's really interesting to know. And thank you, Oksana, for sharing this amazing experience with us. And thank you again for joining us. To be honest, the Tugella is unmistakably a Geely car when you see it from the front. It shares the same iconic expanding Cosmos grille with its other two siblings, but with a more aggressive look. The grille is also flanked by a pair of sharp-looking full LED headlights. Moving further back, we can see 19-inch alloy wheels, roof racks, a panoramic sunroof, and above all, the sloping roofline and the fastback rear. The horizontal LED taillights, elevated ground clearance, and the sport exhaust system further complete the premium and sporty look. The design of the all-new Tugella is phenomenal and quite striking. Now let's have a look at the technology on board. Let's watch this video together. Hello Asil, and thank you for joining us.
Hello, and thank you for inviting me, Tarek.
Asil, after we saw your video, my question for you is how, in your opinion, the Tugella proves that comfort and cutting-edge technology can mix?
The Tugella is offering a lot of cutting-edge technology with its 12.3-inch infotainment system and the digital instrument cluster. And for me personally, the wireless phone charger and the ambient lighting will add a lot to comfort and personalization for the ride.
Well, talking about safety, do you think that the Tugella is a safe car for you and your family?
For me and my family, we feel safe in the Tugella with the front and rear sensors and 6 airbags, and the lane keep assist and adaptive cruise control will all add to the safety and will be one of the safest cars on the road.
Asil, I would like to thank you for joining us and sharing your amazing experience with the Tugella.
Thank you, Tarek, for inviting me again.
The Tugella's interior is inspired by the cosmos, giving drivers a high-tech, futuristic feeling. Aside from the flush of high-quality materials, the all-new Tugella is equipped with cutting-edge techs and innovations. Safety-wise, the Tugella has one of the safest and most advanced cabins in its segment. Geely has installed an assortment of driver-focused technologies into its new crossover, including a full-range 360-degree panoramic 3D camera, a lane departure warning system, a lane keeping assist system, adaptive cruise control, autonomous emergency brake system, hill descent control, hill start assist, and speed limit information function, along with 6 airbags and front and rear sensors. That's a long list. It seems the all-new Tugella is one step ahead of the cutthroat competition in terms of safety and technology. But what about its performance? Let's find out. Hello, Tarek, and thank you for joining us.
Hello, Tarek. It's my pleasure to be with you, and it's my pleasure to drive Tugella.
Well, Tarek, we see that you drove the car and you enjoyed it and you pushed it even to the limits. Can you tell us your first driving impressions of the car?
Honestly, I was surprised. I really enjoyed the car on the road and off-road.
Well, I'm glad really to hear this. So what you can tell us more about the performance of the Tugella?
I think the Tugella is a sports car. 238 horsepower and 350 Newton meter are something you expect from a sport car, not a coupe SUV.
Well, Tarek, thank you so much for sharing your experience with us. It was a pleasure having you. Thank you so much. While the new Tugella is more pleasing to the eye, it also excels in terms of performance. The Tugella comes with a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, delivering 238 horsepower and 350 Newton meter of torque. With this engine, the Tugella accelerates from 0 to 100 in just 6.9 seconds, offering a thrilling driving experience. There is no doubt that Geely has elevated the experience of the Tugella to meet customers' highest expectations. For those who want to have a closer look and test drive the car, they can visit Geely showroom on Salwa Road and explore the sporty appeal and innovative excellence of this exhilarating coupe SUV. Don't forget to follow Geely of Qatar on social media and wait for my test drive on Makina. Thank you for watching and goodbye.
Nature breathes lives to all manners of creatures. The birth of a new species reveals the coming of a new era. Humans will no longer be the only creature with beauty and intelligence. And humans won't be lonely any longer. It possesses more powerful energy than we do. More sophistication, more perceptiveness, and stronger adaptability. can alter its speed and agility according to different environments. Every muscle on his body feeds information back to spring in real time to ensure he stays in his best physical condition. It has all-degree vision, which makes it immune to the disturbances of others when hunting and eating. This creature, at the top of the food chain, has a surprising flaw. The fear of loneliness is the flaw implanted in the species. And it will be remedied in the future as long as it lives with